Hello parents, I am actually not just catching this ball through my body movements, but my brain is also processing that I'm supposed to catch this ball that is coming to me. And this is something very significant to know when we involve our children in music and movement. When we ask them to dance, move their body, the brain is heavily involved. It is not only a body movement, it is also the movement in the brain. So take your right hand, put the right hand at the back, and just see this part of the brain is cerebellum, where the information is coming. And this is very important, that this part of the brain is actually responsible for connections to other part of the brain. In one of the studies, researchers actually tried to see the connection between body movement and brain development. They just recorded that which part of the brain gets light up when children are doing reading, writing, or even analytical skills practice. And then they checked which part of the brain gets light up when children are catching ball, dancing on the music, just moving from one place to another. And in both the phases of these studies, the same part of the brain were getting stimulated. And this clearly tells you that the more the body moves, the better will be the reading, writing, analytical skills of children. Few more points to know about this beautiful aspect of children's learning is, first thing is that the moment the body moves, when the child is actually moving, the oxygen is getting released in the brain very beautifully. And this is something very important, because just to tell you, the brain weighs 1/15 of the body weight, but the oxygen that the brain consumes is actually 1/5 of the body. So the brain needs a lot of oxygen to function properly. And when children move, exercise, dance, jump around, play with ball, just run around, the oxygen supply to brain is found to be higher. And that's why exercise and movement is very important in our children's lives. Second thing that we need to know, that studies are conducted on children, and when children are found to be sitting at one place for close to 25 minutes, the blood flow is found to be higher towards the lower back and the lower region of the body. And this is unhealthy for children. This is very unhealthy. The blood pools at the lower back, and it is not at all supportive for brain development. So parents, let's dance with our children, allow them to really enjoy the music and movements, and allow them to move, because when the child is moving, that's when the child is actually learning. Thank you.